Hello children, let's start a new chapter, respiration in organism. In this video, we discuss that why do we respire, what is the term respiration, what is breathing, the kinds of respiration, aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So let's start. Children, just a vehicle need diesel or petrol to run and do work. Our body also need energy to perform various activities. Energy required to read, play, eat and even to sleep also. So from where do we get this energy? We get the energy from the food we eat. When we eat food, the food is digested by our body and it's transported to each cell of the body. In the cells, glucose that is present in the food is oxidized in the presence of oxygen to release energy, water, and carbon dioxide. This entire process is called respiration. As it takes place in the cells, it is also called cellular respiration. Now understand this by this equation. Glucose. This glucose is oxidized, so glucose plus oxygen, and the byproducts are carbon dioxide, water and energy. This energy is stored in the cells and your cell use this energy to do all the physical activity and do all various works. So glucose is oxidized in the presence of oxygen, converted into carbon dioxide, water and energy. This process is called respiration. So simply we can say the respiration is the process of breaking down of food to release energy. So why do we respire? By the process of respiration, energy is produced and our body cells use this energy to perform all work. So that's why we respire. Now we understand about the term breathing. What is breathing? Children, breathing is a part of respiration. Breathing is a mechanical process in which air rich in oxygen is taken into the body and air rich in carbon dioxide is given out. The process of taking in air is called inhalation and the process of giving out carbon dioxide is called exhalation. Each breath means each one breath consists of one inhalation and one exhalation. The number of times a person breathes in a minute is called breathing rate. Let's discuss more about respiration, aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Children, respiration takes place in all living organisms, even in aquatic plants and animals also. So what is aerobic respiration? Aerobic respiration is the process of respiration which takes place in the presence of oxygen. Means you can say the breakdown of glucose in presence of oxygen to release energy is known as aerobic respiration. Now aerobic respiration, in this case, this glucose is completely break down. Understand this formula? The C6H12O6 is the formula of glucose and it complete breakdown in case of aerobic respiration. This glucose is react with oxygen and obviously the products are carbon dioxide, H2O and energy. This energy is stored in the form of ATP that is used by the body cells. So this C6H12O6 is complete breakdown and converted to CO2 and H2O in the presence of oxygen. This respiration is aerobic respiration. Example, human beings. In human beings, aerobic respiration takes place. Now understand anaerobic respiration. Under certain conditions, respiration takes place without oxygen. This is known as anaerobic respiration. Conversion of glucose into alcohol or acid in the absence of oxygen to release energy, this is known as anaerobic respiration. During anaerobic respiration, very little energy is released because the glucose is partially break down and converted into lactic acid or alcohol, carbon dioxide, and very less energy. Now see this equation. C6H12O6, that glucose is partially break down and converted to C2H5OH, that is ethanol or alcohol plus carbon dioxide and very less energy. Now example of anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration takes place in yeast. Yeast breaks down glucose into ethanol, carbon dioxide and a small amount of energy. This process is used in baking and also known as fermentation. In certain areas of human body, anaerobic respiration takes place, and one such area is human muscles. Sometime when you do exercise, lots of exercise, in that case your body need more energy. The amount of energy your body needs is much more than the energy produced by your body. In this situation, in the muscles, anaerobic respiration takes place, and due to that lactic acid is released. This lactic acid begins to build up in cells, causing pain and irritation. And to remove this acid, we should take rest for a while and breathe in deeply to get extra oxygen.